Hey everyone, my name is Luigi Ken. I'm 70 years old and a Form 5 student at SMK Dato Haji Hasan Yunus, Rendang from Johor, with school code JEE 2042. Today, I'm excited to share with you a fascinating book that takes us on an incredible journey through the universe, Astrophysics for Young People in a Hurry by Neil deGrasse Tyson. This book is an adaptation of his best-selling work, Astrophysics for People in a Hurry, designed specifically for younger readers. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, where did all of us come from? How did the universe begin? Are we alone in the cosmos? These are some of the biggest questions in science, and this book provides simple, fun, and engaging explanations to help us understand them. Neil deGrasse Tyson is a world-renowned astrophysicist and science communicator. He has a talent for making complicated scientific ideas easy to grasp. With the help of Gregory Mon, this book makes astrophysics accessible to everyone, even those who may not have a strong background in science. The book starts with one of the biggest mysteries of all. How did the universe begin? Scientists believe that everything we see today, stars, planets, galaxies, originated from a massive explosion known as the Big Bang. Imagine the entire universe compressed into a single point smaller than a pinhead. Then, in an instant, it exploded and began expanding. The explosion happened 13.8 billion years ago, and the universe has been growing ever since. Even today, scientists have evidence that space is still expanding. One of the most exciting ideas in the book is that we are made of star stuff. Tyson explains that the elements in our bodies, like carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen, were actually formed in the course of massive stars. When these stars exploded in gigantic events called supernova, they scattered these elements across the space, eventually forming planets, including Earth. So, in a way, every human, every tree, every living thing on our planet is connected to the stars. Tyson introduced two of the biggest cosmic mysteries. The first one is dark matter. Scientists believe that about 85% of the universe mass is made of something we cannot see, a strange, invisible material called dark matter. Even though we can't detect it directly, we know it exists because of the way galaxies behave. The second one is dark energy. Even stranger than dark matter is dark energy, which makes up about 68% of the universe and is responsible for the universe's rapid expansion. Yet, despite decades of research, scientists still don't fully understand what dark energy is. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. If you fell into a black hole, can we still look down for you compared to the outside world? Tyson described how these mystery objects form when massive stars collapse and how they can even merge, sending ripples called gravitational waves through space. One of the most exciting questions in science is, are we the only intelligent being in the universe? Science has discovered thousands of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system. Some of them are in the Goldilocks zone, meaning they might have the right condition for life, like Earth. Tyson encourages readers to read about what it would mean if we ever discover alien life, even if we just microbes on another planet. In just under 200 pages, Astrophysics for Young People in a Hurry explains some of the most important discoveries about the universe in a way that is fun, engaging, and easy to understand. The book is perfect for everyone who has ever looked at the stars and wonder what else is out there. It makes us realize that we are part of something much bigger than ourselves. An entire universe filled with wonder waiting to be explored. Neil deGrasse Tyson's message in this book is clear. Curiosity and science can help us understand our place in the cosmos. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember you are made of star stuff, and the universe is full of endless possibilities. If we are made of stars, what else might we discover about the connection to the universe? Thank you.